Hi, to enable developer options on your CMF Phone 1, just go in your settings and here scroll down to find this About Phone tab. After that, on the top you will see this tab which you can tap and check build number. So now what we are going to do next is we need to tap 7 times on that build number to enable developer options. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now confirm your pattern, PIN code or password, and you'll see this information that you are now developer. So to check this, you'll need to go back in main settings and from here choose system. After that, you will find your developer options. So you can tap it and here you can adjust settings as you want to. For example, you can enable automatic system updates if you want to apply updates when device restarts. Here you can find USB debugging, which you can also enable by tapping on the switcher or disable, and many other features. So we got here a lot. We can even receive this bug report. When you are done changing these settings, just disable developer options by tapping on the switcher for phone protection. So just tap on the switcher like that and use this back arrow, and now as you can see, developer options tab disappears from the system settings. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.